Come make this macaroni and cheese with me. You'll enjoy it. So for this recipe, you're going to need Asiago, some smoked gouda cheese, butter, mozzarella, pepper jack, cream cheese, evaporated milk, some heavy whipping cream, onion powder, garlic powder, some onion, a little bell pepper, and a little flour to make the roux. So we'll go ahead and grate our cheese and then we'll be back. And some shell noodles. So I've added some salt to my water there, as you can see, and then you're just gonna stir it up and let it boil until it's al dente and you know it's ready to make your mac and cheese. So I've drained my pasta and then I'm gonna put some butter in there. It's about 5 tablespoons. I'm just gonna let that melt, and then we'll get to making our sauce. So we're going to add some salted and unsalted butter. This is about 4 tablespoons. And then we're just going to let that melt. That's melting. We're going to add, I added a clove of garlic as well, and our onion and bell pepper. I'm just going to add a little salt, and then we're just going to saute this first. Once we get that cooked, then we're going to be going ahead and adding our heavy cream. And then we'll go ahead and add in our evap milk. Then we're going to stir this up like so. And then we'll add a little salt. Not too much salt because the cheese is salty already. We'll add some smoked paprika. We'll add some garlic powder and onion powder. Just going to stir this in like so. Then we're just going to let it come to a boil, and then we'll just preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit at this time. And then add some Old Bay to this as well. And then just stir it in. If this cheese sauce is too thick, then you're going to add a little bit more milk. So there we're waiting for it to get to a boil. And then we add our cheese. We'll go ahead and add our cream cheese. Let's break this up before we go any further with adding any more cheese. So we're just gonna break it up some so it's easier to melt. And then we're just gonna mix this around like this. And while this melts, we'll come in with some of our other cheese. We're gonna leave some to place in the casserole or whatever you're using to bake your mac and cheese. So then we're just gonna mix these in. Cheese sauce is coming together nicely here. So you just mix it, lower your flame too, because we're almost ready to turn it off. We're just trying to get the cheese melted. So we're just gonna whisk. And there goes my oven to say that it is ready to go. So we're just going to whisk it to get it smooth as possible. Still need some more whisking. We're almost there. So just whisk until it's smooth. And there, you see, it's done. And so now we're going to make our mac and cheese for the oven. So now we're gonna pour our sauce over. So, and then we're just going to mix it up just to make sure that we have enough sauce and that everything is well coated with the cheese sauce. You can see it's well coated here. And then we're going to pour it in our baking dish. Oops. So now we're going to pour it in. I greased mine a little bit. Put this like so. I'll put some cheese in the middle here, just a little bit. And then we'll spread the rest on top. Like so. of our cheese on top. And we'll sprinkle a little bit of smoked paprika. And we'll just let the cheese melt on top since we did cook the sauce already. Get that into the oven. So we're going to let it brown some more here. Just give it a little bit more color. It has been about 20 minutes. Look at this goodness. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.